1. The blueprint of life. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like the master blueprint for all living organisms. It contains the instructions needed to build and maintain an organism, from a tiny bacterium to a towering redwood tree. But how is this blueprint structured? Let's break it down. 2. The building blocks, nucleotides. Think of DNA as a long, twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made up of a sugar phosphate backbone. The rungs of the ladder are pairs of molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of 3 parts: a phosphate group, a sugar molecule deoxyribose in DNA, a nitrogenous base. There are 4 different nitrogenous bases in DNA, and they pair up to form the rungs of our ladder: adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, guanine G. 3. The double helix, twisting the ladder. Now, if you take this ladder and twist it, you get the famous double helix structure. Picture a spiral staircase. This is the shape of DNA. The twisting helps DNA fit inside the nucleus of a cell, despite being incredibly long. In fact, if you unraveled all the DNA in a single human cell, it would stretch about 2 meters 6 feet long. 4. Base pairing rules, the magic of a T and CG. The nitrogenous bases pair up in a very specific way. Adenine always pairs with thymine, a T, and cytosine always pairs with guanine, CG. This pairing is due to hydrogen bonds between the bases, which hold the 2 strands of the DNA helix together. It's like a zipper where only specific teeth fit together. 5. DNA replication, copying the blueprint. One of the most amazing features of DNA is its ability to replicate, or make copies of itself. This is crucial for cell division and reproduction.